Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to review the iPhone 11 on iOS 14.4 Beta 2. So without wasting any more time, let's get right in today's video. So I updated my device to this firmware go, and if you are interested into follow-up video, that will be linked in description. If you guys are watching in future, I mean if you guys are watching like after 1 week, then the video will be up. You guys can check my channel, you guys can check the description, and in my follow-up video I will be brief more features and how is my experience on all of these devices, so you can subscribe and turn on notifications. Talking about my experience till now on iPhone 11 after installing this firmware on my device is actually about the same. It is more of a like a S update, because this just brought some speed improvements to the iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 is just now feeling a bit more silkier while just opening apps and just doing this normal stuff, because earlier there were some people were reporting me on Twitter, and I was also noticing that I was getting some choppy animations sometimes when my phone used to get heat up after, for example, wireless charging or doing some gaming sessions. I was getting some choppy animations, which is now fixed in this version right now. I till now my experience, because I've tested it, I have played games, I've done almost everything that I do in a day, and I have not experienced any choppiness in animation or anything till now. But I'll report to you guys on my Twitter and on my follow-up, so you can follow me on Twitter at the rate TechHype and turn on notification of my YouTube channel. Now talking about the battery performance is about the same. I was getting 5.5 to 6.5 hours of usage in a day, and I was ending my day around 10%, which is the same till now. I'm still ending the day around 10 to 15%. So there is about no improvement in terms of battery performance. I would just say like 0.2% improvement, because there was just some minor improvements in terms of battery life that I noticed. And it is just no, if you are doing your regular stuff, your normal stuff, you won't even notice that difference. So battery life is about the same. Now final thing, which is the final verdict and my scorecard. Talking about the performance, what would I give it out of 10? I would give it a solid 8.5 out of 10 in terms of performance. Considering a beta, 8.5 is not at all a bad score. Now talking about the battery life I would give it a 7.8 out of 10. I mean 7.8 out of 10 just because 5.5 hour to 6.5 hour usage is obviously in 2021 standards. It's, I think, not an average user, it's okay 6.5 hour usage, but considering that it is beta 2, I mean it is really good, but it should have been much better much more better, because iOS 14.2 betas, when it was going on, the battery performance was better than this. I was getting like 6.5 hour or more usage on my iPhone 11. So obviously there is some regret in terms of battery performance, but by any means, considering that it is a beta version, the battery life is still pretty good. So I would give it a 7.8 out of 10. Now let's talk about stability. The stability, I would give it a really good 9.6 out of 10. I mean, yeah, this is one of the highest I've given till now, because this is really stable. Apart from the choppy animations, I have literally seen nothing. I mean, seriously, this is one of the most stable betas I've ever used. Hopefully, the scores will improve. The stability scores will improve over time as we are going to see more betas, and let's hope for the best. And I'm going to come with my follow-up video really soon, so if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on notification. I update my followers almost every hour about my usage on my Twitter at the rate TechHype. You can follow me. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. And if you want a speed test, you can just let me know down in the comments below which device do you want me to test.